The goose. The goose is a medium to large bird. The plural of goose is geese. There are many kinds of geese in the world. One kind is the Canadian goose. Canadian geese are beautiful birds. They have gray bodies with white chests and chins. Their heads and necks are black. Canadian geese like to live close to water. Sometimes they move from one place to another. When they decide to move, they fly together. They fly in a V shape called a wedge. On long flights, the birds change places. They do this because the birds in front get tired from flying into the wind. It's easier to fly at the rear of the wedge. When they fly, the geese like to honk loudly. Canadian geese eat a lot of grass. When they eat, they grab the grass in their bills and then jerk their heads to tear out the grass. Geese will eat most any plant that grows near water, even seaweed. The geese also eat wheat, rice, and corn. Of course, this means that farmers usually don't like Canadian geese to visit often. When geese are 2 years old, they look for mates. The partners usually stay together all their lives. The female lays about 6 eggs at a time. Both the mother and the father guard the nest. Lots of animals like to eat their eggs, so they have to wash the eggs carefully. The female has to be especially careful because she loses some of her feathers before the eggs are hatched, so she can't fly. These geese are generally migratory. This means that they lay eggs and hatch their chicks in cold climates, but fly south to warmer areas to spend the winter. However, for reasons that scientists don't fully understand, many Canadian geese are now remaining in the warmer climates all year long. This has created problems for some communities because these geese have permanently settled anywhere where there is water. Golf courses and housing developments with small lakes now have the geese as unwanted guests. These geese can be very messy, and because they aggressively defend their territories, they can injure people who come too close. They used to live only in North America. Now they are in Europe, too. Their numbers are growing due to the fact that many of their natural predators, such as the bald eagle, red fox, and gray wolf, are declining. When the balance of animals changes in nature, some animal populations can grow larger than their habitats will allow. This seems to be the case with the overpopulation of Canadian geese in some areas.